Today I'm going to be reviewing a new product, the First Page Ranker. This product will come out on July 9th of 2019. This is an amazing product. It will help you cash in on the dirty little secret that Google does not want you to exploit, and it will help you get sales and profit with a very simple, easy to use, cloud-based application. Now, what does this software do for you? Well, this software is the easiest way to get first page rankings for both Google and YouTube. The software is automated and it will get you a flood of unlimited targeted traffic and sales, and you have to do none of the SEO work that's normally associated with getting high rankings. So the software will get you on page one of both Google and YouTube, and it does it very, very quickly, and it does it very, very easily. That's the product, the First Page Ranker. You can instantly have multiple first page rankings in both Google and YouTube in only 3 simple clicks. You can drive way more targeted traffic no matter what your niche, and the results are guaranteed. There is no guesswork. You don't have to go through doing all the research and all the formatting and all the content creation and then hoping that you are going to rank. You will rank with this service. Your products, your services, your affiliate offers will never be in the dead zone again. You're going to get flooded with traffic, and it's going to be 100% free, organic traffic. You are not going to have to spend any kind of big money on paid traffic. Now, the beauty of traffic from Google and YouTube is because they are the 2 most used search engines in the world. When somebody goes on Google or YouTube and types something into the search bar, they are there because they're looking for information or answers or solutions to a problem they have. They are coming there with a mindset of a buyer. They're looking for help. And that's as opposed to, say, social media sites like Facebook, because people go on Facebook not to buy anything. They go on Facebook for social interaction. But when people use Google or YouTube to search, they're looking for answers and they're looking for help. So you can use a perfectly ethical loophole which gets you traffic and first page rankings. It gets you all the traffic and rankings that you would ever want without having to wait. You can literally see page 1 rankings within 24 hours. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you do is you add your YouTube account to the software. You create your event, which could be a video, and then you rank it. You put it into the software, and the software does all the rest. It gets you the first page rankings on both Google and YouTube, the 2 biggest search engines in the world. You can actually get instant video ranking on this cloud-based app. It does it for you all automatically behind the scenes. You can be the greenest, rawest newbie, and you can do this because you do not need to have any technical knowledge or skill whatsoever. You've got a demo video here. You can take a look at it at your leisure, and you can see the software in action. You can see exactly how easy it is to use. Now, here's what the First Page Ranker will do for you. This is all the things you can get done with this software. You can create live video streams in just a couple of minutes. You can explode your blogs by ranking for tons of long-tail keywords. So if you've got a blog, you can send all the traffic you want to that blog. You save tons of time because the software does all the work for you. And you're redirecting extremely targeted traffic because this traffic came looking for answers. So once you've got the traffic, which is the key to all your success as a marketer, because if you don't have the traffic, you'll never make a sale. But if you've got this targeted traffic there already, then you just direct them to offers that are relevant to that particular niche market. You've got it basically made, and you'll start seeing traffic the same day potentially. And you can use tons of existing videos that you can legally use for your own personal use, and you can rebrand them as your own. And it's all 100% legal. You're going to get link juice from passing link juice back and forth between different videos with their interlocking technology. And you can also compete with all the big boys because you're going to be able to rank almost at will. You never have the need to appear on camera if you're camera shy. You can sit down and you can record over slides. Your face never has to appear on camera. You can spend less than an hour a day marketing your online offers because you're not doing any of the heavy lifting. And you can build a huge email list simply by redirecting your traffic to opt-in squeeze pages. So you can build a huge email list to whom you can later market as many times as you want. So how does it work? You can use slides and just record yourself talking through the presentation, and then you save the slides, upload them to First Page Ranker, click a few buttons, and you are done. Your video will then rank for you. You can just follow it and watch it rank. You can tap into the power of Creative Commons videos. These are videos that you can find on YouTube, Vimeo, SpinExpress, and other video hosting sites, and these are free for you to use. You can rebrand them as your own, and that's all you need to be off to the races. Now, here are just a few of the things that the First Page Ranker will do for you, and each of one of these leads to making more money for you and putting more money in your pocket. One thing you can do is rent out the rankings to local businesses. You can help their material get ranked, and you can charge for that. And this software comes with a commercial license included, so you never have to worry about running afoul of any of their rules. You can make a killing as an affiliate marketer. You can find affiliate products that are relevant to your audience and send tons of people to those affiliate offers. You can do launch jacking. Now, with launch jacking, it's very important that you rank quickly because you want to be at the top of the listings when the product is finally launched. And with this product, with the First Page Ranker, you will be able to rank very quickly at the top of both Google and YouTube. You can sell more of your own products. If you've got an e-commerce store, e-commerce site, you can sell more products there. You can boost your blog earnings because you can add links, affiliate links, or your own product links to your blog, or you can even put banners on your blog because you are going to be getting the traffic that you can send there, and they will see all this. And finally, you can use it to boost your own YouTube channel revenue because if your channel has already been monetized for YouTube AdSense, you can get more views, and more views equals more money when you're using AdSense. Now, the product does come with a number of upsells that you can take advantage of. The front-end product, which is what I just described to you, the First Page Ranker, is all of $27 during the launch period. That's a one-time cost. It's $27 to get this powerful software at your fingertips. Upsell number one is the First Page Ranker Pro. You can either get it for $37 a month, $297 annually, or if you want to save big, you can pay $497, and that is lifetime. And you can do multi-event spinning here with this software, and you can do unlimited event creation, up to 20 events per channel per day. And there's other things that this will do for you, but there's a limit to how much I can put on this page. Upsell number two is the one-click rebrander, which is a one-time cost of $47. You can download videos directly from YouTube, and you can rebrand them in one click. And it also comes with a green screen editor if you're into that as well. And there's more there as well. Upsell number three is the artificial intelligence video and the SEO suite at a cost of $67. You can edit images and create videos on the fly without ever having to leave the live VidRanker dashboard. You can add text and images with ease. You can create all kinds of things with this software. Upsell number four is expert training, and this costs a one-time cost of $97. This is advanced training by the creators of the product. You will get bi-weekly live videos and much, much more. And then finally, upsell number five is a reseller license. For $197, you can get 250 licenses, and for $247, you can get unlimited licenses, which means you can sell this product as your own, and you can keep 100% of the profit. And the real kicker here is right over here. All the support is still done by them. You do not have to do any of the support issues. It's handled by them. You make the sale and you're done. Now, also, the vendor has included some fast action bonuses if you purchase during the launch period. And there are 5 of them here. There's a video spinner, and there is a text spinner, bonus number 2, which allows you to spin these things and make them more unique and make them more your own by putting your own touches on them. You have 10 top performing headlines for your videos. These are 10 templates for hot performing headlines. Headlines are extremely important to get people's attention, and this bonus will show you exactly how to do that. Here is a gem of a bonus. You get a 30-minute live consultation with the creators of this product to help you plan your marketing strategy. This would be an individualized marketing strategy just for you, directly from the horse's mouth. It doesn't get a whole lot better than that. And then finally, bonus number 5 is the Easy Rank Tracker. This will tell you how to rank, how to track your rankings so you can see exactly where you stand with your videos. Now you can get this product by clicking on any of the links on this page, and you can also get my exclusive bonuses. Now the bonuses that I have are exclusive only to those individuals who buy the first page ranker using my link. And these bonuses are exclusive to me. I've developed them, and you will not find them anywhere else except by buying through my link. So here are the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is Advanced Keyword Research Tutorial. It's a 5-step blueprint because you still need to find keywords that you want to rank for. And these keywords that you're looking for, the real gems, are the ones that have high volume searches, but they have low competition. Once you find them, they are gold. But if you combine them with the first page ranker product, you are going to really be sitting perfect. The next bonus is YouTube description tutorial and template. Now, YouTube descriptions are extremely important because they help additionally with the ranking because they let YouTube know exactly what your video is about. But there's an art and a science to writing descriptions, and you need to know how to write them properly because that can only help you. And again, when you combine it with the first page ranker, you've got a lot of power that your competition will not have. Bonus number 3 is how to write tags properly. Now, the tags are not in your description. They're separate. And tags are like the keywords for your video. And again, they let YouTube and Google know exactly what your video is about. But there's also an art and a science to writing your tags. And again, if you can write tags properly and combine them with what the first page ranker software can do for you, you've also got an unbeatable combination. And then finally, bonus number 4 is how to add hashtags above your video titles. This is a full tutorial. Now, video hashtags are in YouTube are a fairly new phenomenon, but they can help you with your rankings. And again, you want to do everything you can. You want to throw all your ammunition at these videos to get them to rank. And again, if you do all the things in these bonus tutorials and add it to first page ranker, you are going to be in extremely good shape. So you can get the first page ranker and all these bonuses by clicking on any of the links in my video, any of these buttons. But here is the best part. Your investment in first page ranker is 100% guaranteed. That means you have this product for 30 days. You can use it for 30 days. You can put in all the videos you want and all the content you want to get it ranked and test it out. And if at the end of 30 days, for whatever reason, no questions asked, you no longer want this software, you are covered by a full 100% ironclad guarantee. So you have absolutely no risk. So once again, if you'd like to get your hands on the first page ranker and my exclusive bonuses, you can click on this link, which will also appear in the description below this video. And if you'd like to see my review page and maybe look at that demo video, you can click on this link, and this link will also appear in my description below the video as well. So this is a phenomenal product. You can test it for 30 days to make sure it does exactly what it says. But if you want to get your content ranked on the first pages of both Google and YouTube, then you really need to get your hands on this first page ranker. I know that I will be.